Hi, have you woken up hungrier than ever before? Yeah, that's what happened to me this morning. So I quickly rushed to the kitchen after doing some house chores and wanted to do some scrambled eggs. Okay, so I just wanted to share with you how I do my scrambled eggs with anwa oil rice and and some green pepper sauce. So these are the things I'm using. I'm using carrots. That is what I'm currently cutting. Then spring onion, which I've cut already. Then green pepper. Let me give you backstory. Yesterday, I said I'm not going to eat much. So in the afternoon around 4 p.m., I just said that is the end of a meal I've taken. I took banku and that was all. I want to be on diet and see if I tell you I was hungry throughout the night, but I said, no, I am not going to eat. I want to slim down. So, yeah, this is the green pepper I'm cutting. So, continuing from my story, I slept and 10 left, 10 right, 10 left, 10 right. Oh my goodness. We call it tinketing in tree. I don't know how you call it, but it means hunger while you are sleeping and you are not able to sleep. I felt very, very disturbed throughout the night, and I was praying that in the morning I wake up so that I'll be able to compensate myself for all the stress. Okay, so I think I'll be eating quite later, a bit like 5 p.m. or 6 p.m., so I can be able to retain the amount of food in me, or drink much water. So these are the ingredients: onions and spring onions and carrots. Yeah, these are the onions, spring onions, green pepper and carrots, and some 3 eggs I'm using. So first you have the oil on fire, then you crack the eggs. Yes, after cracking the eggs, you have to mix it up so well and make sure everything is settling down. You mix it up, and I have been using hard salt. Okay, hard salt. So the one we call adanchini. So I had to put it in water for it to dissolve, that I can use the water. So that's what I am doing. This is the salt water I'm putting in the eggs. Okay, then you whisk it again and now put it on the fire. So I already had my oil on in the frying pan. I just pour the egg inside of it, and since it's scrambled eggs, I didn't want it to cook so well before I make the scrabbles. Okay, so that is what I'm doing. Isn't it lovely? Isn't it lovely? Oh, so yeah, I was done with it. I have a problem with my camera, so I had to end it and clear my space. Yes, so this is my turmeric and beetroot rice. Okay, so it's not so white, it is brownish in color. Yes, and this is my scrambled egg right here. I'll show you at the end of a video how it looked. Yeah, and I have some green pepper sauce too that I just had to add it. And mind you, I was going to eat with my sister, so I had to make it too, so that each one for one. Yeah. See your baby girl in the morning without makeup. Oh my goodness. How do you see my food in my kitchen? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to get more of such videos. Sorry, my hair is just messed up because this morning I woke up quite hungry. So this is what I'm going to eat. Thank you. Check out the end result of my food. Yeah, so please give a comment about what you saw. Do you like these vlogs? Do you like me giving you day-to-day vlogs? Okay, see you. Bye.